Today's Tuesday, October 3rd. This is the 1972 Cadillac DeVille and Calais AC Programming Controller Unit. This is for my friend Mike in Greenville, South Carolina. This is video number 2 out of a 2-video set whereby the unit has been shown in the predecessor video as a complete bench layout of all of the components comprising the AC programmer that have been rebuilt, including the secondary board and the primary board, as well as precision lapping of the multi-port manifold and other fixes that were required. So the unit has been recalibrated in its final embodiment, and I'm going to be doing a functional validation test. And I'll go ahead and actuate the unit, and we watch it retract, and we have consistent good vacuum integrity at just under 5 pounds, and I'll release it to atmosphere. And the unit comes back to its neutral position. So this is the 1972 Cadillac DeVille and Calais AC Programmer Controller Unit. This is for my friend Mike in Greenville, South Carolina. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Cadillac Eldorados, and through 76 for the full range models. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, such as these air conditioning AC programming controller units, as well as the in-dash climate controllers. Today is Tuesday, October 2nd. Thank you very kindly.